How to send streak in Snapchat in your Android phone. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can send a streak. So a streak is nothing but a daily count of your snaps. So if you send daily snaps to your friends, then the streaks will also increase. Like if you send any like 5 to 10 videos, any kind of videos till today, and within 24 hours you send the snap again and again, then your streak will increase day by day. So to know how you can send it, watch this video. First of all, you must need to open your Snapchat. Make sure your Snapchat is installed and updated to the latest version. So after you open it, go to the chat section. So your friends are right here and you want to send them streak. So to send them streak, you should just tap on your profile and send anything right here. So I've just clicked this photo right here. Now to send this Snapchat, just tap on the send to option and send it to your friends. Now whoever you send it to, and within 24 hours if you send it again, and when the 1 day completes, your streak will be just seen on the Snapchat right there. So do try it and see if it works or not. So that's how I can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.